Time to make hard-boiled eggs today.
Hello everyone, we're gonna make hard-boiled eggs today. I don't know what else to say, sorry. Ready? Again, Elliot, say it real loud and proud.
We're gonna make hard-boiled eggs today.
Awesome, let's do it. Whoop. Okay, first, no, not that. Make sure to wash your hands. Okay, first we put cold water in your pot. How many?
You're just Mr. Film.
Hey Elliot, how many eggs are in there?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many eggs?
6.
All right. Oops, filled it too much.
It's
About that much water. All right, next step is we're gonna make super salty seawater. Lots
I want some.
and lots of salt. There we go. Okay. Now we put in the eggs. And you gotta do it really gentle. One, 2, Elliot, 3.
Okay, I'm gonna put some.
4, 5.
6.
Good job. Now we turn the water up and we want to cook it until it boils. And we're going to let it boil for 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Make sure to wash your hands. Okay. We have no rags.
I was thinking we could get one from the bathroom.
Salt up there. All right, now don't touch this hot pan. Let it bubble for 5 minutes.
Oh, it's orange water.
Whoa.
Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing, Daddy?
Are you saving that for later?
Nothing.
Bring it to a rolling boil and set the timer for 5 minutes. Make sure to wash your hands. While your water's boiling, get some ice water ready. Alright, set it aside.
Make sure you wash your hands.
Okay, take your pan off of the heat and put your lid on. Set the timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes later. 10 minutes later. Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know. Why?
Because it wanted to go to Dunkin' Donuts to get a donut.
Oh, where'd you think of that joke? We need a spoon for scooping, ice water,
And
a
ice
knife,
water.
some rinsey water, and an empty bowl for shells.
Cells, bells, bells, booty booters.
It's mental.
Say something funny.
I don't have funny words. We are going to take our little eggy weggies and put them in a nice cold freezing bath. Ah! Help me! I'm freezing!
I'm a reason.
No, oh no, you're gonna be careful. It's freezing in there.
Freezing! Ah!
We just need to shock them real fast, so they're good. All right, now we crack one side and the other side,
One's cracked. I'll go
and then
get
just take your thumb and get underneath the shell. Go all the way around it.
this one cracked. And I peeled the cell
All
off.
right, and then we use our bowl to rinse off the little bits there, and then there's your hard-boiled egg. Easy peasy.
I'm still peeling my egg.
30,000 hours later.
I need to get my egg a little colder because it's way too warm. Because it'll burn my hands and they will be burnt forever.
So that cold water shocks that underneath layer and it doesn't stick. So no stuck egg white. Woohoo!
I am gonna rub you. It was so silly.
You're being silly. Look at that perfection. Bing. So satisfying. Perfect little eggy weggy.
Make sure to wash your hands.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Oh,
Look at that.
yes. Perfect. Now we got 2 eggs, so this will just feel in there.
All right, Elliot, should we eat one?
Yes.
How do you like yours? I like mine with salt and pepper on it.
I like mine
Here.
with
What do you
salt
want?
and pepper on it too.
You do?
I like it too.
Here's some salt and some pepper.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. That's a good egg.
Why don't we say hope you watch this video, or we say thanks for watching this video.
Thanks for watching our video. Hit like and
Subscribe.
subscribe. That was a big bite.